Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, over the years, there's been an increasing spread of the Asian subterranean termites, or short AST, in the Western Division, which resulted in a surge in notification and infrastructural damages received by the Biosecurity Authority of Fiji. So given the significant increase in the spread of termites in the Western Division, the government, for the first time, specifically in the 2023-2024 budget, allocated a sum of $3 million for the Termite Control Assistance Program under Head 50, Mr. Speaker, said, to assist affected households with relief packages. And in addition to continue with the efforts to minimize the spread of AST, a sum of $2 million is provided in the 2024-2025 financial year for program. As part of the implementation mechanism, a termite task force was established to help foster government's effort in assisting households affected by AST infestation. The task force, Mr. Speaker, is co-chaired by the Honourable Assistant Minister for the Office of the Prime Minister, Mr. Tumbuna, and the Assistant Minister for Women, Children and Social Protection, Honourable Shashi Kiran, with members comprising of staff from Biosecurity Authority of Fiji, Lautoka City Council, Ministry of Finance as well. The task force chose to use the first year, Mr. Speaker said, to pilot the program to evaluate the best approach to help control, eradicate AST in Fiji. The Termite Control Assistance Program considered the Lautoka area under the pilot program. The main activities of the task force include enhanced collaboration between BAF, LCC and Ministry of Finance for improved termite operations, procurement of termite baiting services, and establishment of the termite subsidy program, and engagement of media organizations for awareness programs. In order to provide relief to the people whose homes, Mr. Speaker, have suffered extensive damages due to termite infestation, government announced a targeted subsidy program, mainly for people in Lautoka, Ba, Nendi, and Rekireki. Termite subsidy program, where a subsidy of $5,000 is provided for households with combined household incomes less than $30,000, and a subsidy of $2,000 is provided for households with combined household income between $30,000 and $50,000. The subsidy, Mr. Speaker, intends to help residents repair their homes and ensure that they are structurally sound for people to live in. Just to give you some details, Mr. Speaker, a total of 1,327 applications were received by the Lautoka City Council, a staff stationed at Commissioner Weston's office. Of 1,327 applications, 448 applications have been verified to be in accordance with the criteria of the program and have been paid $5,000 and $2,000 subsidy with the total cost of $2.2 million. Those below 30,000, Mr. Speaker, the number of successful applicants were 439. That amounted to $2.195 million. And those between 30 to 50,000, only 9 were successful. A total of 327 applications have been verified and will be paid in the coming months, while 160 applications are pending verification. 392 applications await information clarification, and 54 applicants were unsuccessful. So in summary, approved and paid 448, verified to be paid in September 327, pending verification 160, pending information from applicant 338, and unsuccessful applicants 54. The unsuccessful applicants, Mr. Speaker, were due to duplications such as father-son application, tenant and landlord application, insufficient documentation, and household with no sign of AST infestation. The Biosecurity Authority of Fiji and LCC provided administrative support and verify all claims of AST and income category before payments are made. Mr. Speaker, sir, we just don't stop by providing the subsidy. I think in the long term, the idea is to eradicate the AST. And those households that have the subsidy will simultaneously receive the termite baiting system, because I think that's the most effective way to deal with this. So the termite baiting system is used to control termite infestations by deploying what they call tasty baits above or below ground to attract termites before they reach a home or business. The objective of the initiative is to ensure that baits are readily available to the public, and mass termite baiting services is promoted in places like Lotoka, where properties have been severely impacted by AST. The initiative, Mr. Speaker, says is expected to help approximately 1,000 households manage the spread of AST and, of course, meeting the required criteria of the program. A tender for the baiting services has closed and a service provider has been selected, and we are currently in the contract signing stages. We expect the baiting services to commence next month. Mr. Speaker, the Biosecurity Authority of Fiji has been strengthened. We provided additional 12 officers, 1 vehicle for compliance and to protect the spread of AST. Grant is also provided for the establishment of BAF offices in Nandi, Ba, Nakasi. We are also looking at Lambasa, and the task force is already on it. And I want to, Mr. Speaker, take this opportunity to thank both Honourable Tumbuna and Honourable Shashi Kiran for their leadership and for their ability to, for the first time, get a government program to be able to address this issue, because it's now also affecting houses in Nakasi. It's gone to Lambasa. And it is causing significant problems for low-income households, and the houses get damaged very, very quickly, Mr. Speaker. So this is the government's program in dealing with it. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.